Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best tax software in 2024. Selecting the right tax software is crucial for ensuring a smooth filing experience. The top 5 options, TurboTax, HR Block, Tax Act, TaxSlayer, and Free Tax USA offer a range of features to accommodate various tax situations, from user-friendly interface to comprehensive support and competitive pricing. These software solutions cater to both simple and complex tax needs, helping taxpayers maximize deductions and streamline their filing process. Now, let's start with TurboTax. TurboTax remains a top choice for taxpayers in 2024, known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive support. It caters to a wide range of tax situations, making it ideal for both novice and experienced filers. When talking about its features, TurboTax offers a conversational Q&A format that guides users through the tax filing process with ease. It provides extensive resources, including live chat support and access to tax professionals. The software covers various tax topics in depth, ensuring users can maximize their deductions and credits. Additionally, TurboTax allows for easy importing of W-2 forms and previous tax returns, streamlining the filing process. When it comes to pricing, TurboTax offers several pricing tiers, starting with a free version for simple returns. For DIY users, TurboTax provides a free edition for simple tax returns, while more complex situations may require upgrades to the deluxe or premier versions, typically ranging from $60 to $90. The self-employed version costs around $120, accommodating freelancers and business owners. For those seeking assistance, live-assisted services allow users to receive unlimited help from tax experts as they file, with prices starting at approximately $70. The live full service option, where a dedicated expert manages the entire tax filing process, generally starts at about $200 depending on the complexity of the return. Additional fees may apply for state filings and extra services, ensuring that users are informed of costs throughout the process. H&R Block. H&R Block is a well-established tax software that provides a robust online filing experience in 2024. It is particularly noted for its excellent customer service and user-friendly interface, making tax filing accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk about some of its features. H&R Block stands out with its always-on, context-sensitive help, which ensures users can get assistance whenever needed. The software offers a simple step-by-step process, allowing users to navigate through their tax returns effortlessly. Additionally, H&R Block provides a unique feature called Tax Pro Review, where users can have their returns reviewed by a tax professional for added peace of mind. The software also supports various tax scenarios, including self-employment and investment income. When it comes to pricing, H&R Block offers a free version for simple returns, while the deluxe version is priced at around $55. The premium version, which includes investment and rental property support, costs about $85. For more complex needs, the self-employed version is available for approximately $115. State filing is an additional fee, but the overall pricing remains competitive. Tax Act. Tax Act is a reliable tax software option for 2024, particularly known for its affordability and accuracy. It is suitable for individuals and small businesses looking for a straightforward filing experience without breaking the bank. Now, let's discuss some of its features. Tax Act provides a user-friendly interface with accessible content-sensitive help throughout the filing process. One of its standout features is the comprehensive final review, which checks your potential errors and maximizes deductions. Tax Act also offers a unique accuracy guarantee, promising to cover penalties and interest if a mistake is made due to its software. Additionally, it supports a wide range of tax forms, making it versatile for various tax situations. Now, let's discuss the pricing. The free edition is available for those with simple tax situations, allowing users to file federal taxes at no cost. This version includes features such as real-time refund status, step-by-step guidance, and free e-filing. Users can import prior year data to streamline the process, and the service is backed by 100,000 accuracy guarantee. The deluxe edition is priced at approximately $50 and is designed for individuals with more complex tax situations. It includes additional features like a deduction maximizer, which helps users uncover potential tax advantages. This version also offers priority customer support and the ability to file state returns for an additional fee. The Premier Edition, aimed at users with investments or rental properties, is available for around $80. It includes all the features of the Deluxe Edition, plus enhanced support for investment-related tax situations. Users can also access tax advice and additional resources to maximize their deductions. The Self-Employed Edition is priced at about $100 and is tailored for freelancers and small business owners. It provides comprehensive support for business deductions and expenses, along with features to help users navigate self-employment taxes effectively. Next is TaxSlayer. TaxSlayer is an excellent choice for budget-conscious taxpayers in 2024, offering a clean interface and efficient navigation. It is particularly popular among freelancers and gig workers due to its affordability and straightforward features. When it comes to its features, TaxSlayer boasts a user-friendly design that allows for quick and easy navigation. The software provides essential tools such as Deduction Finder and a refund calculator, helping users maximize their tax savings. Additionally, TaxSlayer offers a unique feature called Live Chat, where users can get real-time assistance from tax professionals. The software also supports various tax situations, including self-employment and itemized deductions, making it versatile for different filers. When it comes to pricing, TaxSlayer offers several pricing tiers for its tax filing services, catering to different needs and complexities of tax situations. TaxSlayer Simply Free is an excellent option for individuals with straightforward tax situations, offering free federal filing for eligible users. This plan includes one free state tax return, with additional state returns available for $44.95 each. Users can file their 1040 forms and benefit from maximum refund support. It is an ideal choice for those looking for a cost-effective solution to file their taxes without unnecessary complexities. TaxSlayer Classic is priced at about $38 and caters to all taxpayers regardless of their tax situation. This package features unlimited phone and email support, IRS inquiry assistance for up to 1 year, and the ability to import W-2s and 1099s. With no restrictions on forms or schedules, it provides flexibility for various tax needs. State tax returns are available for an additional $44.95, making it a comprehensive choice. TaxSlayer Premium, costing around $58, builds on the Classic package by offering priority support and additional resources for more complex tax situations. This tier is designed for users who may require extensive assistance while filing their taxes, ensuring a smoother experience. Like the Classic version, it includes unlimited support and access to various tax forms. State tax returns are also priced at $44.95, enhancing its value for users. TaxSlayer Self-Employment, priced at approximately $68, is tailored specifically for self-employed individuals. This package provides essential features to assist with reporting business income and expenses, allowing users to file both personal and business taxes seamlessly. It includes support for IRS inquiries and relevant resources for self-employed taxpayers, ensuring they have the guidance needed to navigate complex tax situations. This option is ideal for freelancers and small business owners. Next is FreeTax USA. FreeTax USA is a standout option for those seeking a free or low-cost tax filing solution in 2024. It is particularly well-suited for users with straightforward tax situations who want to maximize their savings. Now, let's discuss its features. FreeTax USA supports all major IRS forms and schedules, making it a comprehensive solution for various tax needs. The software offers good data import options, allowing users to easily transfer information from previous returns. Additionally, FreeTax USA provides a robust help section with live chat support, ensuring users can get assistance when needed. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the filing process, making it accessible for everyone. When it comes to pricing, FreeTax USA offers a free version for federal tax returns, making it an attractive option for simple filers. For those who need to file state returns, the cost is around $14.99. The deluxe version, which includes additional features and support, is available for about $8, and they also offer a pro support that is only for $50. Overall, FreeTax USA provides an excellent balance of affordability and functionality, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious taxpayers. In conclusion, the best tax software options for 2024 provide a combination of user-friendly features, comprehensive support, and competitive pricing. TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxAct, TaxSlayer, and FreeTax USA stand out for their intuitive interface, extensive resources, and ability to handle a wide range of tax scenarios. Whether you have a simple return or a complex financial situation, these software solutions offer the tools and guidance needed to file your taxes with confidence and maximize your potential savings. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.